In certain companies, you have the opportunity to work in cost reduction. In this company, you can go a little bit beyond that. You can even have the possibility to influence communities. This is one of the things that make Brambles exceptional. In Brambles, we are serving the most sophisticated supply chains of the world. The story started something like 5 years ago. We set ourselves the objective of having only timber coming from certified sources. Using certified sources is not a challenge. The challenge is in the certification process itself. It's a lengthy process. When we started the whole journey, we had new pallet manufacturers, we have sawmills, everyone using their own technology, their own processes in different manners, in different geographies. This certification process has basically simplified the whole supply chain. And now we are more efficient as a consequence of it. We are more efficient and more competitive as they are our suppliers. They are also more efficient and competitive. Well, you will have people arguing that sustainability comes at a cost. I think Brambles have proved exactly the opposite. What we have done so far in the last 5 years is to mitigate our impact in the environment. What we are trying to do going forward is to go for a net positive.